Nothing like nothing like fresh okra to fry. Look at here what I have. I'll just go right on down through here. Picked this early this morning. Got 10 pounds off of it. See, there's some young ones coming along right there. Some more in there that I missed. There's one I missed right there. I just will get that one off right now. A few others up here on the top. See a few. There's another. There's one there has done got too large. I'm gonna snap him off there and pitch him. It's kind of hard to snatch that okra off there and hold your camera steady, so I'll just walk along here and show you just how much okra there is in here that I've got to pick. Looks like I'm going to have okra here for the next couple of weeks anyway. Done picked about over 100 pounds off this row and got rid of it. We're selling it for $5 a pound. Buy it in the store or order you up a plate at your favorite restaurant. See what you have to pay for okra. This is fresh, straight from the garden. Nothing like fresh okra to fry. Come get yours. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel there. Adventures begin here. Look at this beautiful row of okra raised right here at home in Wardell, Missouri. Love and appreciate you guys. Give me a like, comment, share my videos. Travel right on back down through here walking. The wind is blowing nicely out here this morning. It's going to be heat index up to around 115 today. I gave this stuff a fresh watering over the top last night and it really produced. I'll stay in close here. Walk past my tomatoes. There's a few there, a couple over there. They're getting late in the season now. Look here, folks. I even have a few cantaloupes out here. Still getting ready to pick. Cool. I'm gonna finish it up here, and just wanted you to see up close just how okra is grown down here in the Missouri Blue Hill. Appreciate y'all.